Good morning, everyone. It's Elaine, and I am hoping that this is the last video that I will show you before my drywall goes up. So, as you can see, I have added some swings to my little front porch. Both of my lights are installed. I have never seen them turned on. But let's go inside here and I will show you a couple of things that I wanted to talk about. There's my little swings. They're one-person swings I'm tickled about. And I'm hoping we can see in here. There is drywall. It's in the building anyway. Drywall has arrived. It's bigger than I thought. Is one reason why I needed to have it delivered. Those sheets are 12 foot long. But what I wanted to show you is a couple of things that I didn't really think about. Once again, the drywall man is supposed to come tomorrow. One thing that I had a piece across the doorway to the little bathroom. So with a handsaw, I cut those pieces. The other thing, and let's go inside of what will be the bathroom, I'm going to put a curtain up here so I don't have a second door swinging. And what I did is I installed two little pieces of wood on both sides of the door frame. And what the purpose is, I'm going to install some sort of curtain rod. And I want the rod to be as far apart from the doorway as possible. That way, when I make the curtain, it can, pretty much slide to one side or the other. The other thing that I did not know until recently is that plumbing needs to be vented. Who knew that? Yeah, a lot of people, but not me. So, I have asked the drywall man, who, by the way, is supposed to come tomorrow. Now, he's not totally finished with the job that he is currently working on, but I guess something has to dry and everything. So, he is going to, for the most part, what I've asked him, if he can, of course, do as much as he can. But that corner in the bathroom, the outside corners, if he can not drywall those until I can get a plumber here to, of course, run the pipes, but also the vent system. I've watched some YouTube videos on it, and they usually go through the roof, which I'm hoping will not be necessary. Maybe just some kind of vent on the wall. The bathroom's not very big, and everything that I've seen, you need like so many feet away. But anyhow, so there's the mud and the tape and the bag of screws for the drywall. So hopefully he'll come and I can get the bathroom or the toilet and the sink vented and maybe even a pipe run. I don't know. That'll be up to the plumber. But this is one last look, hopefully, of everything underneath. My outlets. I didn't take them down as low as most of the time. I think they're usually a foot from the floor. Mine are 2 feet. And then I've got the ones that are up higher in the back. I'm planning on putting some kind of like countertop back there. A little workstation. So anyhow, like I said, one last look. And then hopefully we'll start doing the pretty stuff. I have picked out my paint, and I'll show you that at another time. But I appreciate you all following me on this, at this point, not very exciting journey. But if you ever decide to do one of these, you'll at least understand that it doesn't go fast. I guess maybe unless you have a very handy husband or significant other. But I do appreciate it, and it's kind of an overcast day here in Georgia, but the temperature is lovely, and out here in the country. So I do appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me that thumbs up. And come on back. And hopefully the real fun will begin. And I will catch you later. Bye-bye.